Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the keyframe feature in CapCut. So as you know that keyframe is pretty essential in editing, and I'm going to show you how you can use the feature in CapCut. So first, if you want to use it in the video, you can just click on the clips, and first you just need to click on this to add a keyframe. So click on that, and then for example at the beginning of the video I want to lower the opacity like this, and then click on a check icon and then move forward a bit. I'm going to add another keyframe and set the opacity back to the original one, so the video will look like this. Okay, and then after that, in the third one, I'm going to add another keyframe, and then I'm going to zoom in, for example like this, and you can also adjust the position, and the video will now look like that. Okay, you can also add grabs in between the keyframe to make the move more smooth. For example, I want to use ease in 3, so it will make the move smoother like this. So other than a video, you can also use keyframe for tags, like when you add tags and you add a keyframe, and you can change the color and also the size, for example, by using the keyframe, so it will be changed accordingly. Okay guys, so I think that's a short tutorial on how to use keyframe feature on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye guys.